All right, yo, trade recap from today. So today I took it's now Wednesday. This is a trade recap from Tuesday, but this day I took two losses, which is minus no, not 600, minus 602 $2. So yeah, I took two losses, and this was the day before Powell speaking, and yeah, day before Powell speaking. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see the whiteboard right there. Like I wrote something down there, which is, am I gonna trade the day before Powell speaking? I see Powell speaking as major impact folder news. So I see NFP, CPI, FOMC, and then Powell speaking as well as major impact folder news. I only have the rule now that the day before NFP, I'm not trading because I've been chopped in that price action many times because it's just most of the time it's choppy price action for me. And now I've seen the day before Powell speaking, like this price action was really choppy as well. So I really want to see this in like my backtesting data, forward testing data as well. If Powell is going to speak again in like in the upcoming weeks, but otherwise I'll probably find it in my backtesting. But I really want to see, okay, is it a good day to trade before Powell comes on? Like today, Tuesday, now Wednesday. Powell is going to speak today, but Tuesday, is that going to be a good trading day? Yesterday it wasn't. I got chopped in that, and I'll show it with how that looked like. So yesterday I was having a bullish bias. So just looking at the price action here, you see we have this huge green box here, which is a singular 6-hour BISI. So you have one singular BISI in this entire leg here, and then this green box is a 1-hour singular BISI on ES. So yeah, I was having a bullish bias. I was expecting for us to trade into this, and then from there I had a direction higher into all these equal highs and then trade towards equal highs, or equal highs, I mean all-time highs. That's this black line here. And then for yes, we are already at all-time highs. But yeah, you can see like literally what I'm saying, that exactly happened, but we just didn't get in the right time, which is for me inside of the New York kill zones. So yeah, just looking at the price action and the trades that I took. So 930 opened here on the vertical line here. You can see we traded a bit higher. We also had Jolts at 10 a.m., which is here. And then I was trading after this. So if we go back on the 1 minute and go into price right here, then you can see 10 a.m. 4-hour candle opened right here. That was news as well. You can see we trade lower, trade higher. We fell to close below this low, and then take this low, and then have a SIBI here, which we close above it as well. This is my first entry. Right there on the candle closure there, and then that's my stop, and then break even would be at this first initial swing high, I think, and then yeah, would have targeted 1 and 2. We can see I entered and I got immediately, or not immediately, but got stopped out on this here. And you could say like, oh, that's such a bad trade to take, like why did you take this trade? Like that's so hindsight, because if you just look at this, like this is such a good trade in my opinion. This looked really good. Looking at ES and Q, we just delivered off the bigger time frame inefficiency. We trade higher. 10 a.m. Opens here, 4-hour candle. We have a move higher here, stopping people out of getting long already. Like the stop loss would be here. We take this low out, and then we have taken some sort of liquidity before we can go higher. We're above second stage distribution as well, so that would fit my entry criteria. And then also on ES, we have an SMT at the lows. Like this just looks like a beautiful trade. But yeah, I got stopped out on this, so that was the first trade where I took a loss. Then you can see also this green box here, that is a singular 50-minute inefficiency from this swing low to this swing high, and you can see we tapped in there. I was still looking for longs. Like this day I took two longs, but yeah, just couldn't get in the right time. And you can see right here we tapped into this 50-minute, got a small push higher, then going lower, taking out the liquidity below this low, taking out the liquidity below this low, take these equal lows, beautiful. And then from here we got a nice direction higher, also with the bullish bias. And then this here, this purple box, you can see this purple rectangle box, you can see that's actually a singular 3-minute SIBI. So in my eyes, like I only trade inversions, but just the narrative is beautiful behind this. But yeah, just couldn't get this. So we took out these equal lows here. So we have taken some sort of liquidity. People that are in long here, trade stop loss below this low. Then this low as well, get like fake resistance, great fake resistance stop loss below this low. We take this low, from here have a huge expansion higher, then have the displacement candle closing above this SIBI on the 3-minute. And then that was my entry, literally that. And then my stop was at the low. And you can see I entered on this and then immediately got stopped out here. Eventually we did run higher from there. But yeah, just got like turtle souped on there. But yeah, really unfortunate, I would say. We were already delivering off this 50-minute. Like there was no reason for price to actually go lower in my opinion. So I took 2 losses on there and 2 losses today. I walk away, and that's exactly what happened here. If I would have entered on this, like, oh, nah, I would have made a profit. Why didn't you do that? Like, I don't do that. Like, I follow my rules. 2 losses today, 1 win a day, then I walk away, and that's it. So really unfortunate on this. Like, eventually, my target with this was a fixed 1 and 2 RR, and then eventually all-time highs, which is right here. You can see eventually we did hit it, but I wouldn't even have held this position all the way right there. Like, I would have held it until 1508 full TP. That would be like a 1-1 RR full TP right there. Yeah, you can see it just didn't get it, got instantly stopped out on this, and then we actually ran higher from here. So just really unfortunate trades, I would say. Yeah, really want to see if the day before Powell speaking, if that's normally a good trading day. Like, it's all about probabilities, and you want to see what is the what is likely to happen on the day before Powell comes on. Like, do we have a choppy day, or will it be a good day? It can be a good day, but doesn't mean it's going to be a good day every day. So really want to see with that, like really really want to get data on that. And yeah, just an unfortunate session. Like, really got this is AM session 9:30 till what is it, 12, and then the lunch hour here. You can see it didn't really do anything in this range, and then from here, this is lunch hour here. We move in lunch hour, and then PM session 13:15 or around 13 till 15. That's the entire PM session. Didn't really do anything here, and then literally last hour of trading we have a huge bump. So doesn't really make sense in my eyes, but yeah, that is what it is. Like, not every day is making sense in the markets. Yeah, just want to see what is the most highest probability to trade at, and if it is like the day before Powell, if that is a day where the probability is just way lower to trade, so I won't even trade that day then anymore. So I can just scrap that off like a weekly calendar, or just a weekly just as a trading day. I can just scrap that off there, and then no trading just before Powell. There'll be one less trading day, but yeah, that is what it is. Like, that's like, if that makes it more profitable, then yeah, 100%. Why wouldn't you do that? So yeah, really want to get more data on that. TopStep X account is now at 49K500, not even 500. So yeah, took $600 loss. I take 285 risk per trade. That will equal like $30 more loss, which is totally fine. Like that, that's still acceptable. That's nothing crazy. No rules broken again, so I can see that day as a W day still. Yeah, that'll be the trade recap. Yeah. Do I miss anything? Yeah, so today Powell is speaking, so I will be trading this day. It's now 19:34 in my time. Powell comes on in 10 minutes. I will be trading after that. Didn't trade anything before this, so yeah, that'll be the trade recap. Thank you for watching. See you.